today, so I'm gonna wear this outfit and Zoe gonna wear this. So there's no pink and white day today. Zoe's gonna be wearing this footwear. Say hi guys. Tell them say I go comb my hair. And then we go up on the road. You comb my hair? Yes. You comb me? But you can't comb yourself, Zoe. You can't comb your hair yourself. Eh? You see your face? Guys, I try to comb. She said she'll comb her hair herself, you know.
Don't be in a humble life. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go up tonight. All the hoochies left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. Let's play where the love is light. I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. I'm so deep in my bag, like a grandma with a peppermint. They say, oh, she smell good. That's just cause I've never seen. Sex game goes stupid, stepping like a toothpick. Man, I tell the truth, your opinion is irrelevant. But I know you think I'm fine. I'd be too fine to hit it from behind. Reflection in the mirror, don't decline. I'm so deep in my bag, like a grandma with a peppermint. They say, oh, she smell good. That's just cause I've never seen. Sex game goes stupid, stepping like a toothpick. Man, I tell the truth, your opinion is irrelevant. But I know you think I'm fine. I'd be too fine to hit it from behind. Reflection in the mirror. If there's a point to losing love, repeating pain, it's all the same. I hate this place, stuck in this paradigm. Don't believe in paradise. This must be what
Alright guys, so I'm just ready up. So ready, so I'm gonna bring Zoe in the carrier so they can run by the bank, be with a few things, and then afterwards we come home back. So let's go. So bad to take off this, guys. I did I pull up the whole place. I look for one pink or a white headband to put on her head, but knowing how Zoe and Chloe turn the place upside down and have them here all over the place, I don't even know which path look for them. So these are the closest pink, even though this and these are the closest pink I could find, I swear to God. So I believe what now.
like this. Got to be more sick of the side of mine. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. No fun is not to sabotage this. Got to be more, been here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern. Floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. I'll be better on Saturn.
Zoe, come. You now wash my hands, so we are washing. Alright guys, I'm gonna go take a leak and then I'm gonna try to change Zoe. Alright guys, so I am at Basil's restaurant and drink. I'm gonna try to get a large fried chicken food because I'm not cooking today. Alright guys, so this is fried chicken food and we're gonna be having, well, I'm gonna have tropical rhythm. I don't know if I go on, but either and then my chef will choose between. We have juice and the fridge differently, but I just feel for something different today. So I'm gonna share Chloe food now and make sure eat, and then in the meantime I'm gonna have a shower. Alright guys, so Chloe says she want the flavor splash, so we give her that. Give her this food. I'm not give her enough food because all Chloe do is waste food, so I'm gonna just cover this up and then when we finish being me eat. Alright guys, I'm gonna take up the mirrors so far. So let me just grab things for Chloe and for Zoe. Right? Dancing people. Shake it down. Dancing people. So. Say hi guys. Now dancing people. Alright guys, so I get here, I get for festival in a this because you know I think Chloe maybe tired of rice and peas, so I'm gonna just give her festival. So this is how I get rice and peas, fried chicken and pork. So I'm gonna just share it our food now and then we eat dinner. Alright guys, I'm just like here the leg because she said she want the legs at the leg festival. Them here, 2 more festival living at this, so I'm gonna eat them here along with the festival. Look. See Chloe and Zoe there. Zozo? Sorry. Hola!
Mommy, I have star. Like grandma.
Alright guys, this is Zoe there, so I give her food now. Which juice you want? You drink our water at school today? Alright, so I'm gonna give you a nice supper gin for dinner. Alright guys, so Chloe gonna have supper gin. Zoe gonna have supper gin. So Zoe supper gin this year, Chloe supper gin there, so some me gonna have water. So we're gonna eat dinner now. Alright guys, I'll be giving you all a quick unboxing in this video. So this video is sponsored by Easy Luxury. So as you all would have known, I've done 1 or 2 collaboration with them before. Today's brand is going to be Valentino, GRWM, see there. So I'm gonna be putting their site link, their WhatsApp link, and their email address in my description box, so you guys can go and check them out. So you guys can use my code TREND so that you guys can get 5% discount off. So without further ado, let's open this. So here so it comes with a little bag. It's a drawstring bag. So here a little drawstring bag. Then these are what we got. So you know we have to switch it up a little bit. Oh, sorry. So this is what I got. So this is our next footwear, and the top of this is mesh. So this is mesh, right? We're gonna be putting this on, and then we're gonna be testing this out. Cause I'm not like love this already. I'm gonna go on with this. And as you know, you can never go wrong with silver. So they end up sending extra tips. See there. So them send extra tips. So you know, say if you now wear the shoes and God forbid the tip come off, you have a spare one to put on. So I'm gonna put this on and then I'll show you all how it look on my foot, and then you all can rate it from 1 to 10, right? So let's go. Alright guys, so we have the shoes, so we'll put them on and then we'll see what's up for them. So we leave the shoes alone. Alright guys, so there is it. There we have it. So wanna tell me how I like it. See it there. Wanna tell me how I like it. Like me, I like the fact say here says mesh. And you know, I like the whole design of the zippers, the uppers style. Yeah, I like that. I like the upper style. So you all tell me how much you guys give this in the comment section and let me know, okay? Alright guys, so this is basically the end of the video. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please remember to drop a like on the video, drop a comment down below. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and make sure that you do so. So it's a GRWM, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye.